Welcome to NAS Educational Academy of Excellence. As part of this program, today we are providing the first lesson, India's relief features. In this lesson, we are going to provide the expected questions. The expected questions means all 1 mark, 2 marks, 4 marks and 8 marks expected questions. This is a lesson from where we can expect a 1 mark questions, 2 mark question and map pointing. This is one of the important lesson. Okay, and small information to you students. Please, those who till now did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to receive latest notification, and share these videos to your friends. They can utilize this. By this knowledge they can get 10 points, and I can give an assurance to all of you, if you follow these videos, definitely you could get a 10 points. This is my assurance. Please subscribe and share it to your friends, and at the end of this video please write your opinion in the comment box. Okay, let's start today's class. Right, from this India's relief feature, which is a geography lesson, from this the most expected question for 2 marks is from our textbook. A map is there that is called world map or globe. In this world map, they will give this world map and they will ask a question. Write few lines about India's location, or write few lines about India. Write few lines about India. This is the most expected question in 2 marks. This question comes in information based question. Now we will see how to write the answer for this question. Right, very easy to write answer for this question, but a simple thing is you should have the knowledge about latitudes and longitudes. First, a rough globe we will draw, and here we divided it into 2 equal halves horizontally, and the top part is called the northern hemisphere and the bottom one is called southern hemisphere, and we will divide vertically 2 halves. So this side is called western hemisphere, this side is called eastern hemisphere. Right, now India is located in this 1/4 part. India is located in this 1/4 part. Right, where in this 1/4 part? Okay, to understand that one, the first point as in answer, India is located in northeastern hemisphere. Northeastern hemisphere, this is the first point. And the second point is India is located in Southeast Asia. This is the second point. And the third point, India lies between 8 degrees 4 minutes. This symbol, 0 symbol indicate degrees, 1 symbol is indicate minutes. 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes. North latitudes, 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. Okay, now India lies between 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. See again, 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes. This is latitude. And 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. And Tropic of Cancer, a 23 degrees, a 23½ north latitude, which is divide India into two equal halves. So this is north, this is the southern hemisphere. In this southern hemisphere, in this 1/4 part, one line is there. 1/4 part, one line is there. This is a 23½ north latitude. This is called a Tropic of Cancer. This Tropic of Cancer divides the India into two equal halves. India is into two equal halves. See this dotted line. This dotted line is Tropic of Cancer. Above the dotted line, the north part is called North India. The southern part of the line is called South India. Okay, right. And the next important question, this is the answer for the question. The main component of this answer is we should remember the latitudes and the longitudes. 3 points are there. So first point, India is located in northeastern hemisphere. Second point, India is located in Southeast Asia. So next one, it lies between latitude and longitudes. First latitudes 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, and longitude 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. Dear student, in this question one important point is that you should not forget here N, you should not forget here E. So right, they can give in mismatch, or they can give some pairs of wrong, and you have to find which pair is right. Then they will change this. Instead of N they can give E, instead of E they can give as N. So because of that we should have strong knowledge about N and E. N means northern hemisphere, E means eastern hemisphere. If it is west, western hemisphere. If it is yes, southern hemisphere. The last point, 23½ north latitude, which is dividing India is into two equal halves, that we are calling Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer dividing the India into two equal halves. The north part is called North India, the southern part is called South India. This is the answer for the question. The next question, it is they can give like this, odd one out. So they will give like that: China, Bangladesh, Iraq, Afghanistan. Now we have to pick out the wrong one. In this 4, odd one out. In this 4, China, Bangladesh, Iraq and Afghanistan. From this we have to find out which is irrelevant or not relevant. So to answer such type of questions, we should have the knowledge of India and its boundary sharing countries. Now, India is sharing boundaries with 7 countries. India is sharing boundary with 7 countries. The list is China, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Nepal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pakistan. Right, see, China, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan. India is sharing its boundary with these 7 countries. Right. Now, if you see the 4 countries, China is there, Bangladesh is there, Afghanistan is there. Iraq. India is not sharing the boundary with Iraq. Then the answer is, we have the wrong one is Iraq. Iraq is the answer. Right. Here, to continue to this one, India is sharing largest boundary to with Bangladesh, and shortest boundary is with Afghanistan. So right, they can give like that. India Bangladesh, question mark. So that is what, so they will give one pair answer. We have to, from the first pair, there is a relation. Observe, India and Bangladesh. So there is a relation between these 2 words or between these 2 items. So on based on this relation, we have to find what item here comes. So here India and Bangladesh is sharing the boundary. So that means with the Bangladesh, India is sharing largest boundary. Now largest to shortest boundary country we have to pick out. That is what? Afghanistan. So this is one of the crucial or important question. What is that one is India is sharing boundaries with 7 countries: China, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal and Pakistan. Right. Largest boundary is Bangladesh, shortest boundary with Afghanistan. On this they can ask one pair they will give based on the relation with the first item to second item. We have to find the item which is required in the second group.